Fourth standard students, let us start from page number 31. Which boat do we take? They are so lost in puzzles. Already we have solved yesterday that they do not notice they have reached the lake. It is very big lake with a small island in it. The lake you can see in the picture. The lake looks very beautiful at this time. There are a lot of ducks making a loud noise. Some children give them pop. Now comes the exciting part. It is time to go for boating. They have to choose which boat to take, but that is not easy. Why it is not easy? Let's see on the next page. There are different kinds of boats. Each has different tickets, price, and also different trip times. Okay, that's why it is not easy. Name of the boat, ticket price, trip time, double decker. So price is rupees 30 and timing is 45 minutes. Paddle boat price is rupees 45 for 30 minutes. Motor boat rupees 25 for 20 minutes. Boat with oars rupees 25 for 45 minutes. So you can see here children are reading the prices of different boats. 4 of us will take a paddle boat and race with Gauri and her group. We will take the motor boat. It is costly but fun. Zoom! They are talking. Let us take the oars boat. It is not costly and we get more time for a peaceful ride. जिसको खुद पर्सन राइड जो मल्लाह होते हैं वो खुद चलाते हैं ना, वैसे तो हम इंजॉय भी करेंगे और उसमें ज़्यादा रश भी नहीं रहेगा. है वी आर गोइंग ऑन द डबल डेकर. इट इज़ ऑल्सो हैज़ म्यूजिक. इट्स कॉस्ट अ लॉट बट वी गेट मोर टाइम. Then Indra and Bhanu first went in the motor boat and then took the oar boat. How much did they pay for both the boats? Rupees. And how much time did they get for both rides? Okay, let us solve the sum. Question number first. Indra and Bhanu first went in the motor boat and then took the oar boat. How much did they pay for both the boats? Let us start. You can see the cost of one ticket for motor boat is equal to rupees 25. The cost of 2 tickets for motor boat is equal to 25 into 2, that means rupees 50. Same way, the cost of 1 ticket for oar boat is equal to rupees 15. The cost of 2 tickets for oar boat is equal to 15 into 2, that means 15 2s are 30. Total cost rupees 50 and rupees 30. So 50 plus 30 is equal to rupees 80. Okay. Now see here, time limit for motor boat 20 minutes and time limit for boat with oars is equal to 45 minutes. Total time 20 minutes plus 45 minutes. So 4 and 2 6, 65 minutes. We know that 60 minutes make 1 hour. So 60 1s are 60 or 1 hour 5 minutes. So they both spent 1 hour 5 minutes in both the boats. Now see here, one group of children went for the double decker trip. They paid rupees 450 in total. How many children went for the double decker trip? So let us solve the sum. Now given in the question, the ticket price of double decker is rupees 30 for 45 minutes. In the table it's already given. And one group of children paid rupees 450 for the double decker trip. See here, this time rupees is given. So rupees 30 paid for double decker trip, or you can write number of students paid rupees 30 for double decker trip is equal to 1, and then for 450, so division will be there. Then what happens? See here, now we have to find number of children. So for this, total paid rupees and the cost of one ticket we will divide. Okay, so 450 is the total money, and for one ticket price is rupees 30. So when we divide 450 by 30, 0 cancel by 0, 45 divided by 3, 15 times. And if you don't know division, you can see here 450, extreme left is 4, division is not possible. Now 45 division is possible, 30 ones are 30, 32s are 60. So one time we will divide 5, 4 minus 3, 1, bring down 0. 30 5s are 150. So rupees 15. In this way also, now 0 cancel by 0, then 45 you can divide by 3 also. You will get same answer. So 15 children went for double decker trip. Now see which boat makes 2 trips in 1 hour. So from the table, 1 hour, 45 plus 45, 90 minutes. That means 1 hour, 30 minutes. 30 plus 30, 60. 60 minutes make 1 hour. So paddle boat makes 2 trips in 1 hour. Okay, so how you will solve, I am showing you. See in the table, it is given the paddle boat takes time for one trip 30 minutes. Then in 2 trips the time will be 13 to 2. For one trip the timing is given, multiply by 2, so we will get 2 trips timing. So 60 minutes, and we know that 60 minutes make 1 hour. So 1 hour, so answer will be, so paddle boat makes 2 trips in 1 hour. Now next question, which boat takes less than half an hour to complete a trip? So see the table, more than half hour, 30 minutes make half hour. So more than half hours, more than half hour here, and 20 minutes less than half hour. So motor boat, so you will write for one motor boat takes time to complete for one trip 20 minutes. So in the language you have to write, so you can write. Okay, here same language you will use, and takes less than half an hour to complete a trip. So timing for motor boat to complete one trip is equal to 20 minutes. That means less than half an hour. So motor boat takes less than half an hour to complete a trip. Okay, now which boat gives them the most time taking the least money? So compare money price, rupees 30, rupees 15, rupees 25, rupees 15. That means rupees 15. The ticket price of boat with oars is rupees 15 for 45 minutes, and paddle boat is rupees 15 for 30 minutes. So boat with oars is taking the most time in the least money. This language form and whatever I am telling you have to copy only. So try this if you are, and if I am here, so you can ask me if you are not able to write complete statements. Okay, Javed went twice for boating. He paid a total of rupees 40 and boated for 50 minutes. Which 2 boats did he take? Javed went twice for boating. He paid a total of rupees 40 and boated for 50 minutes. Now see here, which 2 boats did he take? 50 minutes. So 30 plus 20. Here we can say we can see here, and money paid by him only rupees 40. So 25 plus 5, 30. So these two boats, because if we will take this and this, more than 50 minutes. More than, so if you will observe this table, we are getting 50 minutes for these two boats, and charges is also rupees 50. So you can write the ticket price of paddle boat for 30 minutes is rupees 15, and motor boat is rupees 15 for 20 minutes. 30 plus 20, 50 minutes total time, and money 15 plus 25. So I am solving this question for you, but these two questions you will write. It's compulsory. Given Javed went twice for boating and paid rupees 40 for 50 minutes. So already we have observed the table and how we solve the sum. Now the ticket price of paddle boat is rupees 15 for 30 minutes. Similarly, ticket price of motor boat is rupees 25 for 20 minutes. Now total time is equal to 30 plus 20, 50 minutes, and total money 15 plus 25, rupees 40. So Javed took paddle boat and motor boat, okay, and paying rupees 40 for 50 minutes. So two boats he has taken. Clear? Now let us start from page number 33. You can see here time to return. अब उनका रिटर्न होने का टाइम हो रहा है. Children enjoy different boat rides till 4 o'clock. How much time they enjoyed? 4 o'clock. It's time to return. Now they will not stop anywhere and reach back in 2 hours. वो वापस लौट रहे हैं. So they should reach होशंगाबाद by 4 o'clock. 2 hours for journey. So 4 plus 2, 6 o'clock. Okay. Now turn the page. Find out have you ever been on a school trip? How many children were there in all? How did you go and how far? How much time did it take? Try to find out the cost of travel for each child. So it's an activity, and this activity you will solve yourself. Okay. Now practice time. There are 4 very old cave paintings marked the oldest. Now you can see here 4,200 years old, 8,500 years old, 1,000 years old, 1,300 years old. So which one number is greater? Greatest number in all? 8,500. You can see here. Now one bus can carry 48 children. How many children can carry 3 buses? Okay. So what you will do? In one bus, number of children 48. For 3 bus, definitely multiplication. So 48 into 3, 150. You will get 48 into 3. Reply quickly. Yes, 3 8s are 24. Carry over 2. 3 4s are 12. 12 to 2, 14. That means 144. And 144 near to 150. So 150. Which pair of numbers had to make more than 500? So 8 this number, 152 plus 241. Answer you are getting right in rough notebook. Then 99 plus 299, 8, and write in your rough notebook 321 and 192, 8, 401 and 91. Which number, the result, the answers, whatever answer you are getting, compare which is more than 500. So according to me, the number is this. They will make more than 500. What happened at what time? Draw lines to match. You can see, cross the Narmada bridge. So whole chapter again you will read carefully. I am giving you prediction. Maybe I am wrong. So you will check my answers. Okay. I have given here. Cross the Narmada bridge 9:10 a.m. already given in the textbook. Look at Bhimbedka paintings. At what time? 2E. That means 11:30. And notebook you will copy in this way. At the petrol pump, 3rd F, 9:30 a.m. Boating in the lake, 4th A. That means 3 p.m. Had lunch, 5th D, 12:30 p.m. Return to Hoshangabad. Current answer is this, 6 p.m. So children, everything you have to copy, but today's work I am telling you, you will not copy this activity.